Hello, how to solve 2 power square root of x equals 8 power x. Now, let's ensure the two bases are the same. We have 2 power square root of x equals 8. I can express it as 2 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of x. Now, if you have a to the power of n, and this is raised to the power of n, this equals a power n times m. So we have 2 to the power square root of x. This equals 2 to the power of 3 times x, that is 3x. Now, if you have a power c equals a power b, meaning c equals b, because the bases are the same. So we have square root of x equals 3x. Now from here, we take the squares of the part of this equation. So if you take the squares of this, cancel this, we have x equals, for this, we distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. Remember, ab power c equals a power c times b power c. So this will give us 3 power 2 times x power 2. So from here we have x equals 3 power 2, that is 9 times x squared. So from here we have x equals 9x squared. So what we can do, let's rearrange this. We have 9x squared equals x. So we can move this x over here. We have 9x squared. This is minus x, and this equals 0. What we need to do is to factor out the common term, which is x. We factor out x. X divided this, we have 9x minus x divided this, we have 1. And this equals 0. So from here we can have x equals 0 and also 9x minus 1 equals 0. This equation is solved. Now to solve this, we move negative 1 over here. We have 9x equals 1. To solve for x, we divide this by 9. We divide this by 9. So what happens? 9 eliminate 9. I have x equals 1 over 9. So I have this solution and I have this solution. That means we have two different solutions, which are x equals 0. And we also have x equals 1 over 9. If you want to check, you simply insert these values for x. You start with when x equals 0. You have 2 power square root of 0 equals 8 power 0. Square root of 0 is 0. You have 2 power 0 equals 8 power 0. Any number raised to the power of 0, exception of 0 is 1. And this is 1. So that has satisfied the equation. When x equals 1 over 9, you have 2 power square root of x here equals 8 power x. 2 power square root of 1 over 9 equals 8 power 1 over 9. Now square root of 1 over 9 is the same thing as writing 2 power square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 8 power 1 over 9. Now square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 9 is 3. We have 2 power 1 divided by 3 equals 8 power 1 over 9. 8 is simply 2 power 3. So this means 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 3, which is 8 raised to the power of 1 over 9. We multiply this exponent, following a power n to the power of n equals a power n times n. So we multiply this, that means we have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 3 times 1, 3, and then we have divided by 9. 3 cancels itself out, cancel 9, we have 3. So that means we have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 1 over 3. Now, this is it. If you consider this identity, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a to the power of 1, which is the same thing as a. So we apply that here to reduce it to the lowest term. That means we have cube root of 2, and this equals, we do the same thing here. That means we have a cube root of 2. So we can easily leave our answer this way. So guys, this is it, and this is how you can solve this exponential problem step by step and getting all the values for x. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and see you.